I wanted to make a video today showing you how to do area and perimeter in case you missed our Zoom this morning or you forgot how to do it when you got to your homework. So we learned that perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. So like in this fenced-in area, the perimeter is the fence. It's how long the fence is all the way around the outside. And the area is the amount of space inside the shape. So the area is like all the grass here on the inside. So if we're talking about inside, the perimeter would be the walls around a room, and the area would be like the carpet on the floor that fills up all the space in the room. So your homework looks a lot like this. So it asks for the area and the perimeter. So to find the space in between, which is our area, we have to multiply the length times the width. So we multiply our long side of our rectangle by our short side. So we're going to multiply 7 times 5, and we should know that 7 times 5 is 35. Now, when you watch the other video, you know that when we find the area, we're looking at how many squares really fit in this space. And these are square feet because feet are our unit here. So we're going to write SQ for square and then feet, square feet. And then we get to perimeter. Now, in order to find the perimeter, we have to go all the way around the outside of this rectangle, not just from here to here, but all the way around. So in second grade, you should have learned that on a rectangle, the opposite sides are the same length. So we know since this side is 7, this bottom side is also 7. And since this side is 5, this side across from it is also 5. So when we're adding up all the sides, we're actually going to add 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5. Because we need to add up all of the sides. And then we know that 7 and 7 is 14, and 5 and 5 is 10, so this is 24. Now, since we're not looking at squares on this one, we're just looking at the length around it, we just put the feet for perimeter. Okay, let's do another example. So on this one, we have 4 inches by 10 inches. So to find the area of this middle part, all of the middle, we're going to go 4 times 10. And 4 times 10 is 40. So we're going to write 40. And then don't forget our square, SQ. And this time we're going to write IN for inches because that's the units that it's in over here. Then for perimeter, we're not just adding from here to here, but we're adding the whole thing. So we're going to go 4 plus 10 plus 4 plus 10. Once again, we know that since this is 10, this is 10, and since this is 4, this is 4. So we have to add the 4 plus 10 plus 4 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 4 plus 4 is 8. So it's 28 inches. Now this last one's a little bit trickier because this last one is a square. And we should know that in squares, all of the sides are the same. So it only tells us this top is 6 centimeters, but really each one of these sides is 6 centimeters because squares have all sides that are the same. So for area, we multiply the length times the width. So we're going to multiply the 6 times another 6 because we know all the sides are 6. So we're going to go 6 times 6. And we should know that 6 times 6 is 36 square centimeters. Don't forget your square for your area because that's how many squares. If we were to divide this and put 6 columns this way and 6 rows this way and count up all the squares, we would count 36 squares, just like the arrays we learned before this. Now for the perimeter, we got to add up all the sides. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So there's 4 6s because there's 4 sides and each side is worth 6 centimeters. And that equals 24 centimeters. Hopefully this will help you on your homework today. Good luck.